Hello guys, what's up? This is Rishu Kumar back with another video, and this is a supplement review video. In this video I'm going to review a supplement that is of Six Pack Nutrition. They sent me their free samples for me to review their products, and you guys might be thinking that I don't use supplement. Well, I do when I'm on diet, when I'm on cutting phase. And let me get one thing clear guys, they are not paying me anything to do review on the product, so the review will be totally honest, unbiased, and I will say whatever I feel about the product. And let me show you guys the product, that is Six Pack Nutrition 100% whey. This is the product they sent me. The Six Pack Nutrition is an Indian company, and therefore it will be relatively cheaper than the international brands such as On, Ultimate, Dymatize and all that. The nutrition value is pretty decent in this product, such as it says that it will give 25 grams of protein per scoop, which is standard for nowadays for every whey protein supplement, almost every whey protein supplements. And says rich in BCCAs, and the protein content in this product is certified, which is obviously a good thing. And this flavor is Choco Delight. I've been using this supplement for almost like 12 days, and this tub is almost empty, and I have to do this product before it's totally empty, so I'm gonna do it right now. And the nutrition value, I don't think you guys can see the nutrition value right here, so I'm gonna display it on the screen. As you guys can see, it has 25 grams of protein per scoop. Calories will be 128 calories. Total carbohydrates is 2 grams. Total fat 2.2, of which trans fat is 0.1 gram and cholesterol is 0.07 grams. Now the price of this tub is MRP 2650, which is the MRP. Obviously you will get some amount of discount on this product. It is a reasonable price for the product, and some guys go for too cheap products. For example, when I went to a supplement store and I saw an Indian brand, it says the 1 kg tub of whey protein was almost 1500 rupees. You know, that was okay 2 to 3 years ago, but now 1500 to 1600 whey protein is quite difficult to find. Very few will give you pure whey protein for that price, you know. And when I saw the ingredients, it says whey protein, obviously, because it's a whey protein, it is a whey protein, and along with that it says soy ingredients, which means you are getting whey protein, but you are also getting soy protein, which is, you know, you do not want that. When you're buying whey protein, you need whey protein only. Now when you buy this product, there will be a Six Pack Nutrition seal around the lid. I'll show you guys a picture of it. Now when you open it, you will see what you get inside is this. Normally you'll see that the plastic will be provided with the whey protein supplement, but here they have given a solid plastic lid, which is pretty cool. And when you see inside, you can see the powder in it. Now I'm gonna do a test for you guys, and as you guys can see, it has already 300 ml of water in there. I'm gonna put it in there. There you go. Now I don't think you guys can see the mixability clearly, but I can see from here that it has already started mixing in there. So I think I've shaken enough, and let's check the mixability of this product. Now I know it will be hard for you guys to see through this shaker, so I'm gonna pour the protein shake in this glass. Now as you guys can see, there are no lumps whatsoever. This is a pure protein shake. Now I'm gonna taste this shake. Believe me guys, this tastes pretty damn good, you know. Taste is pretty awesome. And when you mix this powder with milk, you will get almost like a chocolate shake. So if you guys wanna buy this supplement, you can go through the link I will post in the description box. It will take you directly to the Health Card site, which is a supplier of this product. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you do, give a like, subscribe, comment, whatever you do. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.